The revolutionary story of Dolly the Sheep, first cloning breakthrough. Hey there. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of genetics with a story that changed the course of science forever. Meet Dolly the Sheep, the first mammal to be successfully cloned from an adult cell. Her story isn't just about the science. It stirred up emotions, sparked conversations, and posed ethical questions that are still relevant today. So, let's explore how this little sheep turned the scientific community upside down. Before we jump into Dolly's story, let's talk about what cloning really is. In simple terms, cloning creates a genetic copy of an organism. It's been around for a while, but most of the early experiments involved plants or single-celled organisms. Scientists were curious about how life could be replicated, leading to various experiments throughout the years. There were even attempts at cloning frogs and other creatures, but nothing compared to what was accomplished with Dolly. Cloning seemed like a far-off dream until scientists finally cracked the code with her. Now, let's get to the exciting part, Dolly's birth. It all began in 1996 at the Roslin Institute in Scotland, under the guidance of a team led by the renowned scientist Ian Wilmot and his colleague Keith Campbell. Their goal? To clone a sheep using a technique called somatic cell nuclear transfer. Here's how it works in layman's terms. They took a cell from the udder of an adult sheep and fused it with an egg cell from another sheep that had its nucleus removed. After a few weeks, this little embryo was implanted into a surrogate mother. On July 5, 1996, Dolly was born a Finn Dorset lamb. And wow, did she make headlines! Her name was inspired by none other than singer Dolly Parton because of the source of the cell. When Dolly made her debut, the world couldn't stop buzzing about her. Media outlets everywhere showcased her as a marvel of modern science. People were amazed and intrigued, but the scientific community had mixed feelings. Some celebrated this breakthrough as an incredible advancement, while others raised significant ethical questions. The idea of cloning stirred fears about what it could mean for the future of humanity and animal rights. People were unsure. How far could we take this? Are we playing God? These questions made Dolly a famous and sometimes controversial figure, often appearing alongside discussions on ethics in science. So, what did Dolly's arrival mean for science and society? It opened a vault of scientific possibilities. Dolly's cloning was a major leap in genetics and biotechnology. Researchers started to think about how cloning could lead to advances in medicine, like creating organs for transplant or studying diseases more effectively. Cloning isn't just about replicating animals. It has far-reaching implications for agriculture, too, like enhancing livestock or preserving endangered species. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Dolly's case pushed us to confront ethical dilemmas. Should we clone human beings? What are the rights of cloned animals? These questions demand thoughtful consideration. As much as cloning holds potential, it's essential to weigh the moral consequences that come with it. Dolly had her fair share of challenges throughout her life. She lived until the age of 6, and sadly, she developed arthritis and later faced health complications that led to her premature death. Despite her struggles, Dolly remains a symbol of scientific achievement. Her legacy paved the way for ongoing research in cloning and genetics, engaging scientists and ethicists in conversations that continue to this day. Dolly taught us that while science can accomplish incredible feats, we must tread carefully, respecting the life we seek to replicate. So what's the takeaway from Dolly's story? She wasn't just a cute little sheep. She was an extraordinary breakthrough that changed our understanding of life itself. As we continue to explore the possibilities of cloning, let's remember to balance innovation with ethics. What do you think about cloning? Is it a step forward or a risky leap? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories from the world of science.